So this part of the museum is about electricity, and as you can see behind me, this is a demonstration about how rotation causes energy, right? So if you look on the sign here, it basically compares your power of cranking to an actual, like how much it would take to power that light bulb. So if you power if you light 40-watt light bulbs, then your power is 5. No? Not really that strong.
Even 200 watts.
Yeah, not really that strong. So behind me is a huge power plant. So I'm not sure how they work, but they definitely use coal or steam in order to produce electricity. So the way that power plants today produce electricity is that steam or smoke produced from coal turns a fan, and that fan turns a magnetic coil, and that magnetic coil spinning creates electricity, and that's how they produce electricity. Don't quote me on that, I might get it wrong, but I think that's how they did it in the old days, maybe, because I'm not actually sure how any other way to produce electricity. So it's actually pretty cool, this museum, because you can see all these old engines that they use to in the manufacturing plant. Like for this example, this is for Ford Motor Company. It's a gas steam engine. Cool. I don't know. I might have gotten the electricity producing process wrong, but I know that's the basic gist of it.
As well as the problems of disposing of wastes are additional costs of producing electricity. Today, faced with new public attitudes,
go from the steam era, the electrical era. It's pretty cool. I'll look for the one that's the Wienermobile, because that one looks cool. I wanted to do it. This is like a 3D printer, but they have like.
Oh, 3D printer?
Yeah, it's like a. It's just a. So you see, that's what you get. It's only $3. See? I don't know how it works because I haven't actually used it. Yeah, I don't have a $3 gift. I only have like $10 game. But I want to do it on the Wienermobile. Yeah.
Oh.
This is just Abraham.
It's 3D model.
not just Abraham looking. It is
3D printer, right?
Huh? Yeah, I guess. Or maybe it's just a mold.
A mold?
Because, I mean, they're somewhat the same. Yeah.